In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11. We couldn't complete the updates. This error usually pops up when Windows updates temporary files get corrupted or stuck. The most reliable fix is to clear the update cache and then make sure the Windows Update service is running again. We'll do that safely without touching your personal files. You might see a permission prompt during this process, so make sure you're using an account with administrator rights. First, open File Explorer. You can click the folder icon on your taskbar or press Windows+E on your keyboard. We're heading to the folder where Windows stores update downloads. In the address bar at the top of File Explorer, type or paste C/Windows or Software Distribution and press Enter. This is the update cache location. It's normal for this folder to be fairly large and contain subfolders like Download and Data Store. Don't worry, these are temporary files that Windows can recreate as needed. Now, delete all files inside the Software Distribution folder. The key is to remove the contents, not the folder itself. Click inside the folder, press Ctrl+A to select everything, then press Delete. If you're asked for administrator permission, click Continue. If you're asked whether to permanently delete or send items to the recycle bin, either choice is fine, though permanently deleting frees space immediately. If a file can't be removed because it's in use, that typically means Windows is still touching it. You can skip that file and continue with the rest. The important part is clearing as much of the cache as possible so Windows can download fresh copies of the update components. Once the folder is clean, go back to Services. Services is the Windows tool that manages background processes, including Windows Update. Switching back to it ensures the update engine is active after we cleared its cache. In Services, locate Windows Update in the list, right-click it, and click Start. If it's already running, you can choose Start Anyway if available, or simply confirm that it's running. Either way, the goal is to make sure the service is active. When Windows Update starts, it will rebuild the necessary folders and repopulate them with fresh files the next time it checks for updates. That's it. By clearing the software distribution cache and ensuring the Windows Update service is running, you've removed the most common cause of the "we couldn't complete the updates" message. Give Windows a moment, and on its next update, check it should proceed normally with clean, uncorrupted files. If you found this helpful, keep these steps handy anytime updates stall or seem to get stuck.